Hi, Daniel.
Hi, Emma. Thanks for coming with me.
No problem. I needed to buy a few things anyway.
Same here. I ran out of food at home.
Me too. Let's go inside before it gets crowded.
Good idea. I always like shopping early.
Yes, it's quieter and more comfortable.
Do you have a shopping list?
Not really. I usually decide inside the shop.
That's dangerous. You might buy too many things.
Maybe, but shopping is fun.
True. All right, let's get a trolley and start.
Wow, there are so many choices here.
Yes, supermarkets are huge these days.
I need a bag. I forgot to bring one.
No problem. We can buy a shopping bag here.
Good. Let's start with fruits and vegetables.
Sure. Apples look fresh today.
I'll take some bananas, too.
Do you want a box of eggs?
Yes, please. Put it in the cart carefully.
Don't worry. I'm being careful.
Great. Oh, look, the bread section is over there.
Let's go there next.
Daniel, this chocolate is expensive.
Yes, but it's really good quality.
Okay, let's buy one.
Look at this price. It's cheaper here.
That's good. We are saving money.
Do you want to pay by cash or card?
I'll use my credit card.
All right. Let's go to the checkout.
I hope there isn't a long line.
It looks fine. Not too busy.
Shopping was fun today.
Yes, and we bought everything we needed.
That was a productive shopping trip.
Yes, we did well.
Thanks for helping me.
Anytime. Let's do this again next week.
Sure. Maybe we can shop earlier next time.
Good idea.
All right. See you soon.
Bye. Take care. Let's learn some useful English words that Daniel and Emma used in today's shopping conversation. These words will help you speak confidently when you go shopping. Supermarket is a noun. A supermarket is a large shop where you can buy food and household items. Example: Daniel and Emma went to the supermarket together. Shopping is a noun. Shopping is the activity of buying things from shops. Example: shopping is more fun with a friend. Bag is a noun. A bag is a container used for carrying things. Example: Emma bought a shopping bag. Cart is a noun. A cart is a vehicle you push in a shop to carry your items. Example: Daniel pushed the cart through the aisle. Aisle is a noun. An aisle is a long passage between shelves in a shop. Example: they walked down the food aisle. Price is a noun. The price is the amount of money you pay for something. Example: Emma checked the price of the chocolate. Expensive is an adjective. Something that costs a lot of money is expensive. Example: that chocolate is expensive. Checkout is a noun. The checkout is the place where you pay for your shopping. Example: they went to the checkout to pay. Credit card is a noun. A credit card is a card you use to pay for things and pay later. Example: Emma paid with her credit card. Exit is a noun. An exit is the place where you leave a building. Example: they walked toward the exit after shopping. Great job, everyone! Today, you watched a real-life conversation and learned useful English vocabulary for shopping. Keep practicing these words in your daily life. The more you use them, the more confident you will become. This is the English Fluency Podcast. I'm Daniel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing.